And so you have a WordPress website, and you keep having hackers trying to hack your website, or maybe your client's website, and take over your life. Where in this video, I'm going to show you how to blacklist them. Now, the reasons you want to do this is you want to block a country or location IP against hackers who stay in one country and use VPN to get you thinking that you are being targeted from another country. Okay, then another reason you might want to consider doing this is maybe you are getting a suspicious traffic from a particular country or location that is affecting your website negatively. Okay, yes, somebody might ask, does traffic affect websites negatively? Yes, it does. So another reason could be maybe you want to filter IPs in a certain country and blacklist them. Okay, for whatever reasons best known to you. Okay, now whatever reason you would want to do this, it's okay and it's up to you. Okay, now I've been using this for quite a while, and I know before in a month I get close to maybe 6,000 emails from my hosting, and also from my hosting provider, and also from what's this plugin now, WordPress, from WordPress, alerting me that somebody somewhere is trying to hack my website. Now you get different. When you receive these emails, you open them and you discover that, somebody could be trying from China, from India, from America, from US, from UK, and all of this. But for my experience, it could be maybe one or two people trying to hack my website from maybe a particular location, and they are using VPN to try to get me to understand that basically what they use VPN for is to hide their identity. Okay, so you don't know where they're coming from. So I could be in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'll use VPN to hide my identity, to get the victim thinking maybe I'm in US. Okay, so that is how it works. So let's jump straight into the video, and let me show you how to blacklist IPs from different countries. What you want to do is type IP to location, just IP to location. Okay, so it brings you to this window. Okay, now you have this, but this, okay, not this. You have this is different, this is different. Okay, this is different, and this is different. Now the one you want to go ahead and install and activate is this one, IP to location country blocker. Okay, so as you can see, this blocks unwanted visitors from accessing your front end blog pages or back end admin area by countries. Now you install and activate I've done that. Okay. Now these guys, they have bunch of plugins, and you can see that this plugin have 10,000 um, installations. Okay. Now since I've installed it, what you want to do, let me go to my plugin so that I can show you that I've installed and activated this plugin. Here it is. Okay. So now here you can see it here is saying country blocker. Click on this. Now it brings you to this window. So as you can see, all you have to do for the front end, okay, for the front end, you have to go ahead. This is what you get. Okay, let me take time to lecture you on how this works. So this is your front end, and you have back end, you have statistics, you have IP lookup, and all of that. So now on the front end, you have enable front end blocking, which is checked. Now when you come down here, you have block by country. So you can block countries from accessing your website. So for example, as you can see, I had China, IPs from China trying to I have them. I know they were using IPs, Chinese IPs, to try to access my website from Germany, India, Philippines, Singapore, US. I'm not in US, okay? So then Vietnam. So I have these countries trying to to hack my website, okay? So you go ahead, put these countries. If you want to add any country, let's say Brazil, you can just click there and it's done. Okay. So now you have block by IP. You can see that I'm not using a particular IP because IP does change. Okay. So 1 minute, the reason I didn't use this is because if these guys, what VPN does is maybe for 1 minute you're using a particular IP in a particular country, and then the next minute that IP changes, but it's coming from the same country. Okay, so it's better to block the whole country. All right. If you're not, look, I'm not doing business in China. I'm not doing business in Germany, India, Philippines, and all these countries. But someone somewhere is using the IPs coming from these countries to try and hack my website. And that is why you can see I've selected them here. And then when you come down here, block by bot, you can block by bot, maybe Bing, Google, Yahoo, Yandex, where that I think this came, the plugin added this. Okay, so and I decided to let it be. Okay, and then display page when visitor is blocked. Okay, so it shows 4.3 page when it's blocked. Okay, and then blacklist IP addresses. So this is hectic. I don't recommend going through to do all this. Okay, trying to add your IP to block those IPs you get, trying to hack you to block them. What I recommend is this: once you do this, you've taken care of the rest. Except maybe there's a reason why you want to do this. I don't recommend this. Okay, now that is for the front end. So once you're done, you go ahead and you click save changes and it saves. Then you go to back end. So here we are in back end. So you can say, okay, enable back end blocking. Well, I did not, for this, if maybe for whatever reason you want to block people from accessing your back end, like I said, it's whatever reason you would want to do this, it's personal to you, and you can go ahead and do that. As you can see, it provides the same information. So let's say I want to block. Okay, this is checked already, but okay, and that is it. And then statistics. You can see it's now the statistics. You can see I don't have statistics here because nobody is trying to hack me anymore, and that is because I installed this plugin. I'm using this plugin. Okay, but if somebody was trying to hack me, definitely they will show the data here. Okay, and then look up IP address. Okay, so you can say, you can type in a particular IP address and look it up. Let's say, let's look up this one. Okay, belongs to Nigeria. Okay. So this plugin, I must tell you, is very handy, and personally I love it. So here under settings, IP lookup mode, yes, you want that web service to where basically you can go through this plugin and try to you can go through the plugin and learn how to make use of it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and see you next time in another video. But please, before you go, do hit the notification button, and please do like the video, and I beg you, do subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye bye.